Welcome to Lernovatic Tutoring. Today's topic is HCF and LCM. So I'm going to use three different methods to show the HCF and LCM. I'll show you the standard method and then other two methods. Today I'm just going to focus on method 1. Method 2 and 3 I'll cover it in the next video. So method 1. So how do you do it? This is the main concept. A lot of students, they don't understand why we need to take LCM and HCF. They know one thing, like use the tree method or ladder method, but I'm just going to show you the main concept. Main concept works in a way if it's the small numbers. If the numbers are big, it won't work. So let's look an example for a 8, 12 as HCF, LCM, how you do it. So when it comes to HCF, right? So what you need is, the definition of HCF is highest common factor. So you need to focus on finding the factors for the numbers. So 8, that means how you can make 8 in different ways. So that's 1 times 8 and then 2 times 4. Are there any other ways you can make 8? No, you can do swap it, but as long as the number appears once, you don't need to do that. And then 12. So what are the different ways you can make 12? 1 times 12 and then 2 times 6 and then 3 times 4. These are the different ways. You can make 4 times 3, it's already there, so you don't need to rewrite it. And then when it comes to the HCF, the definition is highest common factor, right? You need to look at the factors. What are the factors of 8? 1, 8, 2, 4, and then factors of 12, 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. So just common factors you need to identify. So 1 is common here and here, and then 2 is here and here, the common, and then 4 is also there and there. So then you look at the highest common factor. What is the highest number of this one? Is 4. So therefore your HCF is 4. And then LCM. So when it comes to the LCM, what you need to do is least common multiple. So you need to find out the multiples of 8 and 12. So what are the multiples of 8? So 8, you start with 8. So first 8 times 1 is 8, and then 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24, and then 8 times 4 is 32. Let's stop there for a second. And then 12. What are the multiples of 12? So first one, 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36. But you can see already a common number. You stop there. All you need is least, LCM means least common multiple. So what is the least common one? Is 24. Therefore, your LCM is 24. Yeah, that's an example, method 1. So method 2 and 3 I'll cover in the next video. Thanks for watching.